I saved about $1,000 upgrading my iPhone. And I know this sounds like the intro to a TikTok shop ad, but I trust you it is not. And it never will be. It's a legitimate money saving tip. And we retirees, we need to save the money where we can. I have an iPhone 11 and it's fine for what I need. I certainly don't want to upgrade it. I don't even want it, but I need it for basic smartphone stuff. So the screen was cracked, the battery was going bad, the port was starting to not work anymore. So, and I had cleaned the port and all that. It was just, actually I had just screwed it up doing something in the shop. And I needed to upgrade it or replace the phone. And I went on Amazon. It ended up being a brand new iPhone 11 with twice the memory mine had for about $300. And it was crazy because that's about what the phone's worth to me. And you feel like you're forced to buy, a new upgraded iPhone every time, your phone starts to fall apart. But you don't have to. I used to buy them used on Craigslist, but it's gotten so hard to tell whether or not a phone's been stolen that I stopped doing that. But yeah, I just went out to Amazon. I searched for iPhone 11, found one that was an upgrade to mine, traded mine in, got like $50-$60 for it. And you can just when you're searching for iPhones, you'll see in there, do you want to trade in your phone? And the weird thing is you can trade in your phone even if you're not buying one. It's kind of nuts. So so I got the phone for about $300, and I received it, and it is brand new. Like the battery's like 97% health. The screen was absolutely immaculate. The back of it was brand new. The battery doesn't say like unknown part or whatever. It's an actual Apple battery in there, and I'm actually thrilled with the purchase. The really weird thing about the return, though. So, I said that I traded in my old phone. The way it worked, at least for me, was I just bought the phone. So I didn't do the trade-in when I got the phone. So I bought the phone. Then I went back in and did a trade-in. So you could go on Amazon and search, trade-in iPhone. And it'll say trade in your iPhone. And it's just like buying something. But what they did was they said, okay, go through and tell us about the condition of your phone and the type of phone and all that. I did. And they were like, we'll give you $55 for your phone because, it had a cracked screen and the battery was bad. And it was not a working phone. And I said, okay. And they said $55 has been applied as a gift card to your account. I think I could have asked for another option, but I just said, give me a gift card. And before they even got the phone, they gave me the $55. Now, I'm sure if they don't get the phone by the deadline, they'll just charge my account the $55. But it was kind of nice because I sort of psychologically got to realize the discount on the new phone with the trade-in immediately, which was kind of nice. But yeah, if you're thinking about replacing an old phone and you're like me, you don't need the latest and greatest. Check Amazon. See if there's another one of your phone available in basically new condition for a fourth of what it would cost to buy a new model.